Let's look at a common situation. A learning solution is created. Content is detailed. Information is accurate. Everything is included. And still, engagement drops. Completion rates fall. Performance doesn't improve. So the question is the content the problem? Or is it the design of the learning experience? In this video, we'll take one example and redesign it, step by step, to show what actually changes outcomes. We'll use a simple concept. Fractions. Same topic, same learners, same context, but two different designs. First, a content-heavy version. Then, a structured learning experience. Focus on the difference, because that's where design matters. In the first version, the focus is on content delivery. Definitions are presented. Rules are listed. Examples are shown. Information flows continuously. But there is no defined outcome, no clear progression, no interaction. The experience is linear, but not effective. Completion may happen, but performance is uncertain. Now we redesign it. The starting point changes. We begin with the outcome. What should the learner be able to do? This is where revised Bloom's taxonomy becomes useful. It helps define measurable outcomes. For example, solve basic fraction problems. Now the design has direction. Now every element serves a purpose. Next, the content is reorganized, not as information, but as a sequence of steps. Concept introduction, guided examples, practice. Each element supports the outcome. Now the experience feels manageable. Now we structure the flow, from simple to complex, from recognition to application. This aligns naturally with cognitive progression. No gaps, no overload, just continuity. Now we redesign the interaction. Instead of passive consumption, we introduce engagement points, short activities, decision points, reflection prompts. Now the learner participates, not just observes. Next, we contextualize the concept. Abstract ideas are connected to familiar scenarios. Fractions become parts of a whole. Visual, relatable. Now comprehension improves. Now we add feedback loops, immediate responses, guided corrections, reinforcement. Now the learner knows if progress is being made. This builds confidence and accuracy. Now compare both versions. Same topic, same audience, different design. One focuses on information, the other focuses on outcomes. And that difference is what drives performance. This is what instructional design is about. Not adding more content, but structuring learning experiences that lead to results. If you work in learning design, training, or content development, this shift is critical. If this was useful, like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll explore tools and frameworks to build this systematically.